Hello guys, welcome to my channel BenTech. So today we are going to make a Arduino controlled Bluetooth car. So let me show you how it look like. Okay, this is the car. Okay, you as you can see it. So I have temporarily taped it to of its roof. Okay, there are the motors. There are 4 motors, and I have added the RGB lights. Okay, and there is a small blue light. Okay, so let me show you how it works. Okay, we are here to test the car. First I have connected the battery wires to the car. Okay, so for driving a car you will need a mobile app, so I will show you what's the app. Okay, this is the car app. As you can see, Arduino Bluetooth RC car. Okay, you can search it for Play Store. You can get the app. Okay, let's open it. And first time you will make the car, you will need to this click on the setting button. Okay, then connect to car, and then scan for devices. Okay, I have already connected my Bluetooth module to my mobile, so I will connect it. Okay, so then here is speed controller, you can see here. Okay, so I will set the speed to the lowest. Okay, then I drive the car. As you can see, the car is working very properly. Okay, then it can move around and right. Okay, so there I have added some RGB lights. I will show you. Okay, as you can see, here's a red light. Then
it's not a game, it's a rich thing.
side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And